Okay. Them. Yo, I wish I more BB Aquaba. And then Wednesday, so Abebio. Today is the 5th of November 2025. And the legal education, Oshe, lawyer Francis of the FB solicitors, Yeneno, Barbetry, and Como. Emremu and Como say a foul crata, Semu, a foul family law, whom sem, Oti Hase, Sebu. Ope and crata, winning crata, crime bands on Abefaso, you know, my partner, no person who ba near my baby coso challenges or a young crata. Lawyer Francis, if we have be solicitors, waba, only a baby do home come on Faswa, or Beboy Union Ghana for teach you, yenya, a free Ghana, ye tikruma Ghana for your community, no, na a Jawon Sanso, Akawo British, a year pass. When you have a British passport, I've always said, say you need a lawyer. And your mom, you know what Brabuma here. You need your medical doctor, which is your GP, and also your personal lawyer. Mommy acknowledge you and you quickly. Na mema obibia akwaba. Yes, Frank ewa ha say sanso na afro wa ha lady echa ewa ha say mishremu amoba yembo modiana yen share stream no yembo modiana yen share stream no my why any day mu none of them Josephine ewa ha say Frank Francis NP lovely wa joy wa awakens Millicent George Charity Oba ya mamu nyinaa mo atenase kama YouTube fo nso yɛkyia mo nyinaa san so na Facebook obi bia a wɔhwɛ bia no so yɛsrɛ mo a yɛkyia mo wowɔ question a you quickly you request on a friend is saying yɛn stream no ɛwɔ TikTok so lawyer ebe you question no ano ama mame nkɔ na menkyia lawyer na mema na lawyer akɔ na apom te sɛn
yeah, onua, nyame adom, ɔdne so ɔde akyɛ yɛn. Afɛ na me prepare to we no.
Yo, TikTok no.
TikTok no. Inti mame
Yo, and mame embo Yo lawyer. And ye me mouse mam you na me ka wo say open FB solicitors e kira kwan a wo mo wo UK krom he ya wo mo UK krom ha wo de wani kire backing a ho ana FB solicitors for wo mo lawyer Francis ho ana one ne adwumafo nyina no ho no mo wo na wo mo address no eni Suite E and F the clock house or the third floor backing postcode near IG 118EQ IG 118EQ office telephone line no 0208 264 4800 0208 264 4800 lawyer mobile line no 079 46 77 2439 079 46 2439 Bomodia na so fa maye why lawyer akwa babiem
yeah, onua ebiom. Na wapo mu te sɛn?
nyame de adome o de akyɛ yɛte ase nkakra lawyer bɔkɔ wa
Yo, nkyia kɛseɛ kɔma wetie for for platform no Dr. Rain platform, YouTube and TikTok. And I'm so my platform Lawyer Francis and FB solicitors. Nkyia kɛseɛ ɛkɔ ɛma and send America no this month ye devotee I'm a family law ɛwɔ UK hanom.
Yo lawyer ɛna eja ye devote the ama family law de obebusa sansan ye bɛkɔ ene ye topic a yatu din overview of the family justice system in the United Kingdom part 1 we part 1 of our program topic no overview of the family justice system in the United Kingdom. Wednesday your program ye shall say 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday ye shall say 12 to 1 p.m. yɛma Charlotte Akwaba mo a mohwɛ wɔ YouTube na no yɛma mo nyinaa mo Akwaba. Comment section no contribute, ask your question. Lawyer is here to answer your questions. No, take your questions and answer it for you. Lawyer, any update?
Yo, sana meka no. Yɛbɛyɛ family law kakra. Yɛaka immigration I know say immigration so boa your community no hɔ na problems ne wɔ. Yo, maame started with one update bi a me nsa aka. Ɛne sɛn ɛyɛ EU for side no. I say 4 in 5 EU settlement scheme administrative review, waiting more than 2 years for a decision. Waiting more than 2 years for a decision. Deɛ ɛteɛ ne sɛ na say home office decision making no ɛrekɔ akyi kakra. Ɛrekɔ akyi kakra in the sense what the application kɔ home office a ɛkyɛ. Normally nanka normal family route in application no, which consists of parent route, partner route, and private life route, anka within 6 months, obete omonka for the decision after biometric enrollment. But say no 6 months in a bro so it be call 1 year, it be yako 2 years. Coach home office now bisa or say omu remfi omu gusu. Tembiano omu gusu. Bena nkofo ko bia ye from SAFE SAFE project. Omo because of the right of information act omo use ye etro letter comma home office say anye bia no say eya enahi anase tam ben ena ewo say EU ni ye administrative review a nensaka decision. Na ɛno because of the Freedom of Information Act na ɔmo bisa Home Office. Na yɛntie the Home Office nso kaeɛ. Ɔmo say the Home Office response shows that 4 in 5 applications for administrative review have been outstanding for more than 2 years, with the longest waiting time exceeding 4 years. Thousands of administrative review remain undecided. Yo, home office omu mu aye omu de ma omu nso se ayampa omu gitum na omu hwe ma applications administrative review bebre no akɔkyɛ ɛwɔ omu side. Ebi timi kwa 2 years, ebi timi kwa 4 years. Ebi wɔ da hɔ saa omu ntimi decide. That tells you say home office sɛbe the rate at which omudi amount for applications di agro no enye maybe about some lawyers yesoni gina to pressure to omu so ema say omu ye ni ye kakra omasa peja omu we say omu mfa ho applications che ewo ho but ye wo kwan a ye di ebefa so ye monitor omu as to say ombe jai and also ombe man for applications ombe decide no in 10. And only update a woha me pese so but they are make an say we application now check after 6 months be call 1 year. So one hour ya busa home office identity na check. Say nya wo so na lawyer na yema wa go back to lawyer no ho na won tro wo mo no nko busa die ntia wa application no ache ewo home office and I say die ntia o muntimi make decision ewo home office. Ebiomu so asaba beto edwa ese anye bia no omo release amanfoɔ mmienu bi every prisons a ɛni kwan sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ nka ɔmo yɛ ɛna awie ya Kenya ni bi deɛ bae yɛn nyinaa yɛhu yi ɔmo kye no na ɔmo deporte no They say you have been Sudiaba Algeria. And British Niba sex offenders. But as to say Omubechi Omono, Ijama Met Police. And a biomonso no share Home Office website, Omonso Akase Yemba Yeninda because Nipa Boni Nibi ATSim, Yebeka scammer. Wo use numbers be a fair amount for.
Yeah, man for the year would be no.
But I was saying,
the Omudi year no.
I am a Home Office and so they are two job. Sir, Omudi Omum Frefre will be let alone say, ye be Frefre will be. Say ye be a Zoom meeting. Say ye be a say, into join a link no. There be that. Mr. Obi Safra. Oh, Lawyer Francis Oba be a Zoom meeting. Obey way. Ye be no. Mammy show when him, and I say, Mammy Fair Lawyer Francis. Mr. Moyama Yeni and now about scammers. And yet me pen or more use me din. Other lawyers, big companies, even banks in the crown or the year or more.
Hey.
Yeah. Or the year or more. Inti Mr. Mo, Udiane say Tembiano, or because they say, and yes, the office precupa now,
oh, yeah.
And was say Ubusa questions. Say, Ufo say, while draining and see we are Cartinipano. Yo, na updates kakra me feel say your community is so ma ebeboa no ena me de atu edwa.
Lawyer, mamim bo aye abrantie we ne na tie de ono nso akwa akofa ede aba na chese osisisie de ekuro no ma ye hyehyehyehyehyehyehyehyehye asem we wo de to ni page na ne din ede eye etu ababa yentie no. To be frank with you, maybe I didn't know, but the Ghana passport, a registered GP. See, I when I'm a catcher, who need Kata, that's a whole hospital, be careful. When I down, maybe buy me go review, chatting in the bar, and almost in a very review, me buy almost in doctor, doctor, they say, me checking, almost sending the email if the NHS, and that's right, we are according to you, almost say, me upload the documents. Mistake to some new kumha and Sanambe Conto was why I don't press away now by exam. And yet, a Muna make over yet and I had a moon careful. Meaning, say, after a bribe, but on an answer to one who do India. Yeah, won't check who you will require. Now, Dr. Baku catch him, some of the country will say, Mimi Munafa, say you can have a bit to maybe a name. So, lawyer, CCA, the Aqua Cobani said, Eja, Yenuanum Debia. For say omunya lawyer titu yenuanum a eni eye nnuame yi omunya lawyer no momfa wo as lawyer no de sisi akoba ne say omunenam GP nso ana omu ka che nkofo say omumba no mbeye eye re-registration tie ne wo ba so wo details nyina ba woni details a people are finding it difficult ewo ho na be pese me this news ne to o ma yenuanum say uni GP a uni a friend is a lawyer. This is the time let's offer FB solicitors, Lawyer Francis. Now, Obamodiana open the number. What you say? Open on Momodiana, open the number. A year the fair. Now, I'm represent you as a year a lawyer. Senia, Obin Kasabi be born into. But yena media assembly to me because I dear Chadias and Obronin was a son in Mirano. Emrana to say the only weather net year. And yes, stable. And there was summer, I dear bachelor on autumn, I dear bachelor on winter, or yes, stable, or the sun in your mem. Into that is why I recommend FB solicitors at the mouth. Now, I'm recommending so there, now may catch us a file pen or paper natural numbers, you not save your phone. So, what you say, making sure say number no phone so natural to her. Now, for sure, wallet man now person. Bibinti. Why? And the number no office line here 0208 264 4800. FB solicitors or more office line am the amount. Lawyer Francis, the personal line 079 46 772439 07946772439. Lawyer Francis ewo backing. Why? The postcode, any address, any suite E and F, the clockhouse, or 3rd floor. Postcode no IG11 8EKO. IG11 8EKO. Or a certified lawyer mua. Was certificate or the year Juma ewo United Kingdom. Lawyer na me se me de no twem na eja ya chane so minim se wo bibi eka ho kakra na yenko ye na die no.
Yo de etie ne se we nyina omo ye no e kire se omahu se kroma no in terms of nipa omo kroma no adosu. Until they have to find a way of picking the bad ones amongst us in case they don't have immigration status. UK. Ade we mate dadaada. But na bibi wa yempese ye de beto edwama yenuanom abo mu hu ene nasefo. Because woni nkrata GP de ultimi koba when it comes to say oko A&E hospitals for operation money nasefo, that is where the checks come in, proper checks. Because no operation no be no, they have to make sure so on cartel send a be a cano.
Wait, yeah.
Yes. Even though on cartel now your operation now utia IHS ni nasefo ya na cover that. Inti omo be hwehwem ahwe se uni nkrata na nka omo bu ekagu so because me clients be bia na me ye omo first application no ma use NHS ne pen inti e buka gu omo so na before say omo office be make decision no omo ka try omo say e hwehwe mu che say what you see your facilities ni bi abra untua aka inti wo be wo de be nka won Timi mane started tua no kakra. Ena receipt or there near the coma home office and son on with the nkrata mano.
Wow.
Ti up to now that's sutua. Every man be out in kakra. Because at that time no, now we nkrata no go use facilities no. Inti also tua for to say what tua we no. After that when you nkrata no, anytime you obey use NHS facilities beyond won't yaka because of one krata or chroma. That's how it works in UK here. Yeah. But in ne say wouldn't krata per lawyer. Now what advice so how unsabeka unkrata will chroma because the rate at which omode amount for coffee no bia wo no your mouth side because say aban na ote so no the problem pa okuta any immigration asylum because say you can say to aba enele ya one hwa obe free so because when to me handle immigration ni asylum ye inti chese wo ye no de se wo ye bia se na be ya obetumi enya the grip of immigration and asylum in this country. Inti omo task force no enforcement team no enam no omo chichi amanfo. O de won't because maybe lawyer de metitem bia. Metitem bia. And I mean baby I'm picking information free. Timisramo uni nkrata yene ye hu bibi. Na unim da omo beto afa side. And only advice I made them in your normal Monkrata NCA.
Joe, any na me say wa lawyer no men kohwe baby a MB solicitors and I may recommend the amount. I can vouch for a lawyer Francis any MB solicitors for. Lawyer, any topic no share a year overview of the family justice system in the United Kingdom, UK. Na question didi and kind of the Mibusane say, what is the family justice system in the UK?
Yo, meda say, ye Dr. Rain. And then the American, ye deviate kakra. But says, Tembia, immigration, kwan, ye. Yeah, family, yeah, litigation, civil litigation, yeah, Ghanaian customary marriage, ne Ghanaian landlord, and benefits, ne na save for, and housing issues. Into the next area of law now, yeah, no, and you become wasem, which is the family law. Yo, yeah, share the family justice system, a workroom animal. Or say the family justice system exists to help families resolve disputes arising in respect of family matters quickly and with the minimum of disruption to those involved. Mmara nyinaa ɛfa abusua family ho no under the family law. Now the family justice system no ɛna ɛhwɛ asiesie saa mmara no. Nti I say in most cases the parties are encouraged to resolve the family disputes out of court. For example, through mediation, unless this is not a safe course. This approach is taken because outcomes are more likely to be successful if the parties themselves have had a role in planning and agreeing that outcome. Say answer na family issues biara bɛkɔ court no. The family justice system no encourage say constati free bibi a friend of mediation. Mediation is say we say a neutral person or make asem no. But UK ha no ye were qualified mediators was say ufa mu baako. Inti o family issue first thing first, who lawyer will recommend mediation. It told be a lawyers need be a mediators. Inti say or recommending mediation mawa. And because of conflict of interest, maybe a big crowd now, one person be handle per se. Because there could be a conflict of interest over there. Inti I was all refer you to, for lawyer ne aktiama ebia back one of the parties. It is also mediate here a bedding. I normally use external mediator. Into or no and a beshe SCSC asem no. So what yet no one to me and CSC asem na or be mammy letter or mediation all about no. Now maybe they are filing to the court as a lawyer.
Okay.
In Timrani say, I was starting with mediation unless a serious case, we don't need to waste time on it. I've been saying unless there is a domestic violence involved. In the exception of mediation, yes, domestic violence, Sir, instead of saying mediation now, domestic violence, mutual mediation into na mumbra court straight. Sana asiyetre.
Wow.
In the where agreement is not possible, the court still works to make the family dispute less adversarial, even though the case needs to go to court for the judge to decide the paper outcome. Into the family system, family justice system no ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ ɔmo besiesie asɛm a asi abusua no mu. Okunu ɛne yere. Mma ka ho a ɛno nso saa. Adwapadeɛ ka ho a ɛno nso saa. Nti as time goes on no, yɛbɛhwɛ nneɛma a yɛbɛkeka ho a how a family justice system no ɛbɛtumi asolve. Nti wo question a wobisae sɛ the family justice system no, it's about sɛ wɔresiesie abusua nsɛm.
Joe. Lawyer, now Yembusa said, who are the family judges in the family cases?
Yo, and then yeah, try to capture what is all about how the family system works. In case uko kota, ube busa who said na mimi case no judge ben ne kwa kotena so, and now judges ben ne be kwa kotena so ni nasifu. Inti ushema ya family judges. Family judges. Or say when dispute needs to be decided by the family court, depending on the type of case, they are dealt with by either family panel lay magistrate, or district judge magistrate, or district judge, or by a district, circuit, or high court judge. Inti judges bia wo ne level a case a ɛsɛ ɛba n'anim ma no edi. Ɛna bio mu nso no case bia nso egyina issues ɛwɔ mu a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde ma this type of judge to handle.
Okay.
Because any case bia na akɔ ya yɛde ba akɔma high court judge there be.
Ɛyɛ district judge, you know.
Yeah. Inti also family magistrate and family judges are specially trained by the Judicial College to deal with issues affecting families, including training on domestic abuse and coercive and controlling behavior. They receive regular updating training to ensure their expertise in family law remains up to date. International High Court Judge. Into wo case the comma high court judge yanhwɛ deɛ wɔyɛ fa ho. High court judge sit in the family court and in the family division of the high court. They deal with the most complex cases relating to children and families and can exercise the inherent jurisdiction of the high court, including worship. High court judge sitting in the family division also deal with the appeals from certain decisions of the circuit judge sitting in the family case or in the family court. So one high court judge in the level of adia awoye.
The rule.
Yes. Inti usha complex cases no and a call mo. Okay. Yemfiti preko pe emfa case in nkoma high court judge. There be. If we be na aba ho. It could be from circuit court. It could be from district court.
Okay.
Inti because the complex nature of it, and I don't know better so as high court judge.
All right.
Yo, circuit court judge. Or say circuit judges undertaking family cases sit in the family court. Some family circuit judge will be designated family judges who are responsible for the administration of family justice at each major court centers. Designated family judges are often responsible for a number of family courts in a region. A part-time judge called a recorder can also hear the type of cases dealt with by circuit judge. Circuit judge, so a bit lower than the High Court judge. It depends on the complexity of the case for the registrar of family court to award the case to either the circuit judge, the district judge, or the High Court judge.
Okay. In this case, Mami Busa, a year, Ubebusa say, it is what is a year the judge role in a family a year court and our family cases.
Osha judges sitting down in a case, all the time they try to resolve dispute in the family issues.
Okay.
And whereby there is children involved. Priority, Mrani say, they have to consider the best interest of the child. Papa na maame no. Nkola no omuwom no ena say omuhwe wo omo. Inti yamfa ne say a case of say papa ne maame no omagya aware na nkola wom omo pe baabi a nkola no hwan na be gi nkola no ne omo atena ne nasefo a na omo de kokota omba ko betumi asiki bibi efe no child arrangement order for a judge to judge the residency of the children. Either they have to be with the mother or the father.
Now, lawyer, yeah, showed you because I remember years ago there was a case like that. Will be the question be, but I think Zabia will be of help to some of our viewers now more share. Now, my main will say, "Yene FB solicitors and a train a yen como. Ope a FB solicitors or madrasa a suite E and F a the clock house. One more chaquine and ya come backing. Postcode no a IG 11 8EQ. Sanso and our office line no FB solicitors. One more telephone number a 0208 264 4800 0208 264 4800. Lawyer line no the personal number a mobile line no our from Sabekano a 079 4677 2439 079 4677 2439. May come for FB solicitors at the amount because minim lawyer Francis Ache. Mwamu ni msemedie. Adie ne nya de papa memfa me ho join. Oba UK so dia. Lawyers ni nyina no mo friend professor. Sa na ye friend no prof wa ben pa. Lawyer, yen hwe scenario we. Wone eye maame ne ti. Okochiti. Etimre ni du say ne nsabe krata no home office friend maame no. Maame no ama ya ama ne nsa nka ne krata. Oye so say eja opese maame ne boa no maame no odiko oye se nko bebo modian na eja mediation abem okọ mediation maame na ama. And odiko eye family court. Okọ family court no so. Maame no last day I said judge no be man pronouncement afi maame na ba say na eja wo yare afi no aba court. Obaya o say abrantie no ebo no it will allege abuse. Wo mu koba afi kra de maame ne say abrante no kra no woni nkrata abrante no so wo de appeal atum o say o court say dey saade a kona koye eye friend is saying course CB learn a healthy behavior abrante na kwa koye obaya still ne eye appeal no ye nyam finalize home office in farmer ne lawyers nso twe ne setting ne twan won ka and somewhere what appeal him say the man no see him farmer abrantie ne CCA will be say e dey pa and a situation e ba obetimi ayewo aso home office and answer family court ebetimi a prevent no from seeing the ban because any who can say ni nyina agina nkwada no so enti papa no so A friend is so quiet the course you know Kafka's be Kafka's catch up papa say Obano cry so on person be hunu.
Wow.
Akra no so yeah below the age of I say at that time say below the age of 12 or so. I remember the case. That time if you back with him. Enti obusa say akra osa de be no aka so person obi hunu neja. Enti how is he going to go about it in a situation like this? Na ansana yakofa yenuanom a omo twen wo ase.
Yo, case here what catch me no, complex and involves immigration stroke family case.
Yeah.
Family court no call no, debe no kobusa yes or pay free court no.
At that time, Okubusa said, "Oh, say on ne ba no, eba ba be den, eba ba be sleepovers. Now obey actively involved in the child's life."
Nti ebe no child arrangement order.
Mm.
Yeah, as to say obenya access to akola no.
Yeah.
Na eno no me de say who raise some word bi a enye nipa ni nyina nanim. Kafka's report. Kafka's report.
And that's what Monsieur Free watch.
Huh?
Monsieur Free watch.
Who's that?
Monsieur Monsieur Free ho. Monsieur from Africa. If you're not anymore, bedua.
Why are there? Okay, awesome. That is good. Yeah. So Kafka's report, play a crucial role about any judgment be a judge in be making. Inti no your friend of section 7 report as well. Sir omobekwa koye impense mu efa akola no ne se opene so se opapa no ebeba na brabo mu anase wo mpene so. Inti sa Kafka's report no ena omo yes assessment ni wie no mo de koma judge na eho no ena judge no so begina so e de ama ne judgment. Me obaako bi a metwe ho ma nso sa yensa ka Kafka's report no. Alongside Kafka's report no yes I recommend say and as a judge no recommend say yenye section 7's report of the Children's Act 1989. And when it comes to that now, based on the various reports na beba judge no and they be determine when we say akola prefer say papa na mra na brabo mu ana say prefer say papa na ebeba na brabo mu. But the waka chire me no it could happen say because also mother say there is abuse in that relationship. As to say abuse, or making official complaint to police or the other authorities, and that is one thing judge be a judge or because one to me now for one no make say oh me kuna boom me wa papa me so they say abuse ni man no kran so ye bi o obetimi boba no so be man so betimi abeka say oba no so abono nti first question a judge ni bebu say obo no koye den o report here now wa report it who pry o ma wo GP share o doctor hwe. All these things are evidence that leads to the domestic violence.
Lawyer, said you Kenya. The lady did one time a report here or follow said you okay because said you make no a branch and the lady is trying to prevent a branch and so she has been lying all along. A friend is saying a branch and a bravo. Now remember the case at that time near a few back when you say a Baba one also say any Kafka's no any akwadani din common any mammy din common mammy don't be so be who be or send a banner so be so be who papa. In this situation, and we shall say, what about if the child is underage? Everyone say below the age of 10. Everyone say 10 years and now 9 years and now 8 or 7 or let's say 6. Would it be a case to say court never prevent papa no because akra na kase on beso obehu ne papa, even though papa na ko akosua a healthy behavior a court na nkasa na recommend ni nyina. Is it something like that betimi akase okay obani so on beso obehu the court nso so ma ho kwan as a father, knowing very well so the court is there to, I mean, so on na that omesisi asembisa.
Yeah, court no judge no betumi ayɛ saa. Sir, after Kafka's report, no, and after Section 7 report, no, ni nyinaa dɛ di sɛ akwadaa no mpɛ sɛ wobɛba n'abrabɔ mu. Once I make say mostly when it happens that way, first thing first, judge be a war judge case be no, adeɛ baako a wɔhwɛ ne saa the welfare of the child. The welfare of the child. Into the welfare of the child, you know, is being determined by say omobeye impense mu no mu say akwadaa no pese o ma ho kwan ma wotete na na say on pese obema ho kwan ama watete no. That is the upbringing of the child. Does the child wants you to involve in his or her life or not? Now beke bibi faso so e.
Ye nuanom mema ne nhyɛ no nso because me pese mema no e wa na etie ne ye. Now lawyer yen hwade you. So in this case no obi nso ntimi argue say e bi akra no kra ne nam say one ne maame ya na tinti no, perhaps maybe he or she whether akra ne baba no e bi a ya coach no eni nti na e bi a because one papa ne ntina that how is she going to know say me name papa tina me ninji? Is it also not because e bi a maame no perhaps a coach akra no what to say to Kafkas?
One thing about when it comes to the Kafka's report, you know, confidential. And when it comes to the Section 7 report, you know, so confidential. And no, they don't involve the woman, let alone say, Mamma Bewana or more interview. No, there be.
Okay.
Akolano ni Kafka's officer, no.
All right.
And Akolani welfare officer now, or make that Section 7 report, no. Okay. There happens that young Akolani fee, or met me a kohunu school, no, my yes, I don't know.
All right. Okay.
Into hono, Akolani be a was a poorly out, no. I was so poorly out officer now. Or yeah, that report, no. And I had the wow anything about Chacola. Obeka ne feelings. And I say, my mia and our coaching are definitely Kafka's officer no be picking you maybe a free. Yes. I mean, the baby I hope I say would drive at say you know more show more mano and then I say
yes, smart. Let them power some no.
No, we have to face the fact. Man can't me boy. Things are air course will chrome her. I hear me they say what raise that issue. Anything I'm saying the month of November, no, ye bebu bonyo may be a chi. Now my die so. There is a case my member so kakrebina, you become one later.
Yo.
I don't know, sir, what is our case now? A far Ghana near Kola, you could join Ghana.
Or see the parents as CCA or court of appeal, no.
Yes. So you see how sir, me go so make kind judgment, you know. Say my culture say the month of this November and one they become once. Me time we are me batem be me update because oh share kakra maka no it tells you say enough is enough in this country. Once I call any appeal, mobile appeal need to win.
Yeah.
Because parents no reason or what they told no. We young for long ton chain. Judge, you know, managing who they were or analyze it, I don't know. Because Chroma, no, one show will be here, and the problem ma aban.
Yeah.
Who are for no do who come on, but aban a po who come more than who are
Who are
for
who?
no.
That's why they are the property of the king.
Yes. In the judge in the car say, so we say ni behavior boom per se. Obeya akola boni wo krom han kwa na ode ne call Ghana say onko sua nyansa kakra no nsa mra de a eno de yefuan so.
I'm
So
on the twice.
secondary school a walk over Ghana. Yeah.
My many papa ne cry say, Womo no or no school no Kobi, or baby fee be answer, Nancy Cabri. And woman who saw Kranos here, a friend said, gang, Hunioma. And I've been so cry said, the number of ones who cry better near the sick uncle will be sick uncle.
Yes.
It almost so some of Bano Crebesa. And I died the cry refers and my many papa and Chromie, papa.
Yeah. When they say how I didn't sit here no. A true baby a omo ba ni party biemu. Pese ye beka so nkola ne ewo right in tie was baby. They need to do the right thing to save the child.
Yeah.
Once I catch you say a gene sema a Bible who come more than who parents no.
And now we ask our question. And I'm very glad to say, you know, I mean, you've done this for years, for decades. You know, the maybe and may drive because majority of our guys, will chrome her. Omo share womumba. Omunya sa 2.5 no 2.5 neighbors one. Not quickly. You ever see a corner quiet said we are in the children's life. And but that is really wrong. You know, very, very bad. It's like you're taking advantage of our own women, our own black sisters. Now me besides our question so that Obama a year clarity no abemu kama na lawyer when you man read young conscious a year. Your next question: how do the courts and tribunal act on open reporting provisions?
Open reporting provisions a serious offense. Court is serious about it. Case here na make a collide unimi. Omode broni beka se da bibini beka se omode tabo to so a obie ni ho a obetumi identify akola no.
Wow.
Yeah. When it comes to some cases be I found kola money now, they don't mention names there be. Into back to the opening reporting provisions, we are journalists. Now koye bibisa uko court for uko court sittings. Now koye bibina we are watching say oh publish it now bubo dinia there. Ubetimi atomra.
Okay, me case be a me report to Sabok a year case a year bass the judge ne catch a play or court was a the way I describe it air bass so and so no young reporting the same thing and not put any names. There's no be person for so me there's a mistake now my grandson there be me go be a dim israel
good
to prison.
Good pa. Oh. Omo nim de nti a omo ye saa de no. But Mr. Amo, Kroma mraye adwuma. Anye bia we blocker na work of family court. First thing a judge ne be catch you say, "Wo ba me court a ye careful." But me nka me case experience bi a me nya ye. Answer na me ba be lawyer no me call bibia a friend no observation ewo family court, juvenile criminal court.
Yeah.
I'm a call, now me observe from one courtroom to the other. Mistakenly, me copy normal handle juvenile case be. Judge ni me ana. Okay, say you, what do you want? And I'm saying, oh, I'm a trainee solicitor coming to observe. I don't want you in my courtroom. Get out.
Sharp.
Yeah. Okay. I say, I'm afraid this is a private hearing. Get out.
Mm.
And he was serious about it. And I'm sorry, go ahead. Oh, in you maybe Imran and say Imran.
Mm.
I was saying with this one. What to me and Tontune. Inti, oh, qua, and we a journalist, we a blocker.
Mm.
Na case be a fat court on Kolahuna one G permission. Now report it. They can sue you. The court can sue you.
I see a Thomas Partey, the lawyer, one we need you and a call court.
Oh, I understand. Yes, you intimidate now with
Yes.
the basana. Yeah.
Lawyer, me say charges no more kind. Yeah, call court. You need charges. And a jay you be by an or report to Joy FM. And or catch them say don't report the charges, but just say so and so and so and so. Ebe we are now a Joy FM TV 3 for the day. Go. Ha! Within less than 30 minutes, 30 minutes from say, hey, you guys, do you want them to put me in prison in UK here? Quickly, and and I'm saying, look, there are even people who have the same a year publication. No? So amount for person will take you one, and they will just send it to Partey's lawyer and tell you, say, what command go for say, yes, it Partey or court, no. Judge need to know no musi charges ni bi ni say we say we fa say we say who di good anymore as an answer there abra judge no etena akwanyem o kire ha we say we the report to o story it say na wo kan e no crap one report here ye be more than say e be twa so and here the laws work really work it yakoba ne side na say they have to what encourage na ye bo mo ho ban.
Yes. Inti main ka about the Ubisano in terms of opening reporting provisions now a one almost say the aim of the opening reporting provisions is to enable reporters to report on what they see and hear in court, subject to protecting the children's privacy and anonymity. Inti omo obutaya omo di yesade we nyina. Inti wo feel say me a journalist, me a legal blockers, inti me ka de me pa, you're very careful.
Ghana the show of face kura no akotena antena na nanim da hodi na ebusa na say we the lawyer we nimu amamesre ma me kan na wodi wo ho wodi wusan na wo ye akora no so ye minor na nanim show oh lawyer and lawyer onim say na wo China there are some cases the Chinese government say who need degree you cannot discuss on TikTok on any social media platform if you don't hold a degree and even degree in the crown, when you're qualified in a certain field that you are not allowed to comment. Again, an idiot. Oh, be a ban or beka ye, no beka de ope. No beka bibi, any dear more.
But say, yes, yeah, yes, and the animal more share free Ghana. No, yeah, very careful. But I think Ghana no mess as to how things are working. Nina only say mrawo ho, mra tintim honomo, but enforce enforcement of the law. That is the issue. Inti no what to say obi say because you Joy FM because you we say waka sembia fam your friend no defamation of character. Inti when your lawyer was no about that field na obetimi akosiu one of the station and I said the waka etia no amount. Inti that's how it is. Once I broach akra no ya na TCC. No, I find obey you was me pay compensation and that kind of thing. Into all because I all reporting be no one reporting it professionally. A quan so no one can the woman and I say one protecting the panani privacy. And also no emramuno ye bet to me action was so a court.
Sure.
Especially family case crucial are involve akola. And no the almost any agro. Omo fe di agro kra nti we a blocker legal blockers and as a journalist now court now report here a family case the clarification free judge ni ho and now registrar ni ho and sana would information about
Wow.
kokona mebo na wanye no mo che no mo get it social media they are going to take a legal action against you.
Lawyer me na wase na many FB solicitors and a drink lawyer Francis and a wotin in ya na open wo machi akwan ya sweet ENF ewo and ye wo the clock ups ye wabon san ye toso miensa ye kira akwan ye akwan ye wo backing na ye postcode no IG118EQ IG118EQ office line no 0208 264 4800. Missy Subium. Office line no 0208 264 4800. Lawyer Francis mobile line no 079 46 77 2439. 079 46 77 2439. Mr. Wa, when British passport, a number si channel so. Fegu a year a friend is a phone so. Fasha wallet in fasha person. Obi in case bibi boni in sinemo masembi to wa. Now wakase o lawyer, any lawyer Francis. A kruma away, they respect lawyers because everything is about the rule of law. Embra any idea jumawa. Lawyer, yen share question we na eja. When him say your time, and then we'll call court abedi na meja wontem. Or say, what is the family division and the family court? What is the family division and the family court?
Your share your no under the family justice system no UK hanoma. Oma creative be a friend of the family division and the family court. Or see the family courts in England and Wales are the family court and the family divisions of the High Court. Most family cases are heard in the family court. Family issues be a tier of family court. A limited number of cases are heard in the family division of the High Court. A system of how a court may handle case, and I can once no when it comes to family issues. Into I say a limited number of cases are heard in the family division of the High Court. For example, cases involving international child adoption and cases involving the inherent jurisdiction of the High Court. The family court of the High Court also hears appeals from certain decisions made by circuit judge and recorders in the family court. The family court and the family divisions of the High Court are headed by the president of the family division. Uber immigration mo asana here. Yeah, well, how our cases never travel. What's the last week? Now make come once appeal. Yes. Sana family court no so na SCTA. All start here depending on how the severity of the case, the registrar of the family court, and the bear locate baby our case in the cost 33. Ebi wo ha family division, ebi wo ha family court. Wani omunim die nti a omo ye ne saa no. And America no. Ne nyina gyina how a wo case ni sidie.
Every obi ma me call see me yem frame me Mackenzie friend am say na ade beans na
term bi a ye use for court. Sɛ wompɛ sɛ lawyer ɛbɛkɔ akɔgyaw anaasɛ ɔba akɔgyina w'anan mu a wobɛtumi afa w'adamfo a onim mmara kakra ama n'akɔ. Saa w'adamfo no yɛfrɛ no Mackenzie friend. What you wanna say?
How they look at Mackenzie friend na me to di na me hwɛ no am say Na my back court now on carry the end of the other man to the fee. Metit woody.
Yeah. Terminology yeah na judge no. Inti ebia ukwa judge ni bebusa se ebia wo side no. Wo lawyer na uside bi. No wabusa wo Mackenzie friend. No wabusa na no ne ase kire sen. Na judge na chechiru mu. Ti wo bia na waka say okay we ni Mackenzie friend no. Inti that's how it works. Because here in such a way say I was say they give room for each and every one. But some cases be where you don't need to bring Mackenzie friend.
Okay.
You need to get a lawyer. Due to the complexity of the case.
Yeah.
And an American say before some be allocated cases to either the family court or the family division of the high court now. Now it depends on the severity or the issues at stake.
Yeah.
Couple of family courts handle straightforward cases like child arrangement orders and others. But as it goes higher and higher, no, that's where they realize they have to push it to maybe the family division of the high court. And that's how it works, and that's how the system works in UK here. And your case beyond a straight a court, high court. It has to start from somewhere. And they do once in a make up our judges, cases do they let panel of magistrate judges to sit on it. Maybe are 3 panels. So only a train. Yeah, more train training but judges. Because almost for some cases I was here in order not to waste the judge's time. In the cases people na ubenya say one sitting judge etiso. There be it could be a panel of magistrates sitting on it.
Okay, enti say be akwa judge we say be me kwa ko be a say judge kwabena de be me kwa judge kwabena nko an e wo de be ye be ko ne be esesa.
Yes. Because also say judges of the family court now. Your friend will be family panel magistrates.
Okay.
In the Ushamo, say family panel magistrates are members of the public who sit as magistrates in the family court. Family panel magistrates hear both private and public law cases concerning children and will also deal with other family matters, including applications for non-molestation, injunctions, and occupation orders. Omo yini say training omo no say cases be a basic to say non-molestation order, injunction, occupation order. Yes, normally they are in 3 people sitting down as a panel of magistrate judges. Inti omo teswa omo tie mu case ni bia na 3 na decided.
Okay.
So omo decided na say bia out of 3 no 2 equal one sided so 2 no go one side and no ma winning no ma be ma verdict.
Oh, okay.
So when you know 3 anu ko benkoma na say yenya one judgment ye ba be ka kire omo. Because they do be they vote say asema ayati say na mo pese judge no. We say
any baby to say unanimous no.
Yes. It is sanity. Based on that, and only the lowest in conformity with family cases. The next one it goes to the district judge. And son a second judge in Aba. And son the high court in Aba.
It is when in district judge no outcome, you can take the matter to a circuit judge.
That is it.
Okay.
Because I never see the basic about the family justice system, no. Until now you go into details.
Wow. Lawyer, what are the cases about marriage and divorce?
Yo, Osha Yemra Numua mostly your cases are family court no eye hu adwuma. Nti eba family issues are it start from somewhere to somewhere.
Okay.
And a cases being normally family cases omu dealing with. Ebini cases about marriages. Inti obiwa pusa say cases about marriages no cry is saying. Yeah, what law talking about marriages. Inti o say the law relating to marriages is contained in the Marriage Act 1949, the Marriage Same-Sex Couples Act 2013 received royal assent on the 17th of July 2023 and it came into effect on 13th March 2014. Such a case, talking about how UK you have to conduct your marriage ceremony. Likewise, cases about divorce. And also, the law of Matrimonial Causes Act 1973. And not the book, Emra, I was judges, lawyers, even Obia, all your divorce cases, I was will follow.
I say, the question that the Lumani Akusia say, wow, but something in a similar case, say, yeah, what you can groom hey, marriage, yeah, you. Who ye marriage, yeah, where Japadia wa hey, now, where Japadia binu organa no, and really do as I would to tune your may, still, media, a young coma, and a lawyer watch literally my father, I am married, any divorce, no, lawyer about your to us.
Yeah, and when it comes to that way, a court judge and him will be filing for divorce. A court and him, judge now has to look at it. But before then, I was or making sure say other party acknowledge say a young person will jai awariana. When it comes that way, my other party 7 working days after receiving the divorce process, say or send the documentation, if it be acknowledgement of services to the other party, and say all acknowledge say wajitum say wujaa ware. And no NAA creative problem. Other party in Tiasia or respond within the 7 days. Other party in Tiasia la okaso or chumwa. Hono na the problem bano.
Okay.
All my winja worry. Unswa my uncle worry. Because you can bra actually say Obe worry. Now when ja worry wasa kwa worry for. It's against their law of bigamy. I don't know say what is our word in that.
Naija Kosia say why the be ya na metiti na bigamy ye. Nam say dia kra na gami ya ye hunani. Akosia say where ya oni do ye odogo ni mi do.
Yeah. And when it happens that way, what umra ewo UK ha? And it's a big offense. You can be jailed, you can be fined, you can face all the consequences.
Na nipa ni wu ya be de nipa no wu dia say de. Nipa ne wu na to ko dia say de. You be say asama do
Maybe
ne ba
can
ko
no what no ewo UK ha.
Okay.
And when it comes to that, kokota who accept say our rijaya court in the so I say the family court will decide whether a marriage or civil partnership may be dissolved on the grounds that the marriage has broken down irretrievably. That's the terminology I'm using. Inti se pe na wujja ware na ba other party ni se wompene ma wujja ware a Mr. Prepare for the consequences.
Yo lawyer. Na yema energy on mute na eja busa question your time no aso ba lawyer any di mo best na eja one my break kakra energy o question no you on mute wo ho kakra mame amere se metimi a o mute wa hello energy yo loyalty yo hello energy oh energy yeah onye ready lawyer fache na ebi so a baby o minim so we adwuma mu dia ye hwɛ sɛ ohima hello
Yep.
Good evening lawyer to you
Yeah, but person me busa lawyer say my brother is student dependent. But be no the okana hono me no your ba osi school no ontimi enko biem because fees in the boy then a Ghana no so na onko school bia. Nti ya ma wo mo 1 year. Akora nso ka ho nti mebisa sɛ kwan foforo bi wɔ hɔ a sɛ wankɔ school na obetimi afa so ana na afei nso wakɔ school mu hɔ ama womahu sɛ wɔ kurom ha akɔ register nti mebisa sɛ kwan foforo bi wɔ hɔ a ebetimi afa so ana
jo we dey kwan foforo dey ma memfa lawyer no mama ho na momfrɛ lawyer na mombuku because komo ni bi wɔ hɔ a ye de to ha na omo flag yen kakra kakra eti mesre wa say ha adwene afa pen ne paper natural lawyer number
me ba cho you mate
number ni 079 46
okay
77 24
okay
39
okay
na office line be our friend na be a lawyer or quarter obefre omo office line here 0208
okay
26 44 800
okay me ba cho you masa follow no something na me friend na
very good when you be take care bibia be fine why
okay
bye yo lawyer na say yenhwe no, but na wrap up and now we'll come bibi na
yes. I think say the best see or divorce cases, but the main kind is yeah na the be na the other party no empese will be jawari. It created big issues over there. And a court also says the other party na enjoyed acknowledge there. So no end to me nye yes, there are so many ways a lawyer I will say if na ma the other party no assign. And now say Obeka say Ninsaka court krata no. Because court say I was say Ninsaka court krata no. So was you one sign I know the mfano no. Ni the say what serve nipa no. Nti mostly at times court no will try into who fill a form now about divorce now you pick say court in the kind and send no. I thought it be a court and say was sending or not. When you acknowledgement into what funny say Ninsan can ye. Nti court ni etimi back at you say ya the essay you know but Ninsan pinti who bet me aye who be na ye lawyers ni o kwan bebrebe ni process server na say you drop email mano near monitor making sure say we ready but but the most effective and efficient way of serving the other party a process server it no and you use mostly when you a stubborn party one person obey na ye use sade no. But it's so complicated, but definitely we will get there. Yo, and na ye di besi na nyame ya dom Saturday na ya toa so. Dr. Ray ne da say and then so waso ye mu. Ama ye di a program na abe ebi. But ma me fa a bit advice be emma ye nuanom. Say Maka say the month of November na ye family law issues in kwan ye be discussing no. Any issues bothering you about your relationship, your children, and that, no. Prepare questions, na efabra ask a year till the end of November, no. Now, you try to resolve it because there are more challenges going on in our community in terms of raising family in UK here. Either single parent, either divorce, either there are so many things, and I say violence in the house, and I say the children are not properly trained up, bring up, and that. Some years back, we a survey about youth juvenile more prisons, and I saw more committed crime more. Almost say blacks.
Yeah.
But it's sad. That means that the upbringing, is not good at all.
The absence of the father, no lawyer, and in Adibia Mekawa has said our black people should be in the lives of their children. Only Mamini Jai Kranwa, try as much as possible to be actively involved in your child's life.
Now,
Mami
when you answer back catch us, Mammy no mammy crying, mammy ma and colani one.
And when I come back, say Mami so you should understand, say when you have issues with the manner, don't let that issue override the importance of the how our papa be play akrana brabo. Only papa ne was someone, yes, only papa ne was some acknowledge it. But ma papa na some now anyone affecting the relationship of papa ne wo edemane bano. We shouldn't do that because sometimes we might think and say, oh, mame entry papa na so mani hu ne ba 18 years. That time, 18 years, na akwanwa forming the mindset in the BBA da brabo no ni ma wa etie da. These are certain things that you might deal with it as a mother because there's a case I think what Germany or Italy akwadano kobusa ne maami say I want to see my father. I want to see my father. Ye yanka see krom fo ibia o Ghana ni maami ne ye eto se ne ba ne saa when the child got to find out say na ne papa ti German ana ne maami hwe ne ye bo papa ne call ye no ana maami na kata so no when the child got to know said through that ne papa called Ghana no okowu but crying ended up ekune man. I'm a lawyer.
Last year or last 2 years, the see was a Birmingham was a
Manchester
Manchester DA.
Yeah. Issues happen. You can have issues with your husband or your partner. Do not let it affect the child. And a man must say yes, men. Men are responsible people. Men must care. Men must love. Men must respect. Women also must say as women because we are having a lot of issues. Lawyer, the youth and justice and Kwaranoa, too much.
Papa.
Lawyer, only CCA crown the wouldn't say CCA Nagas by United Kingdom. Open call for tum for more hard than a pa. This time around, the new a year by any Ghana for. Yeah. By Yambosu Bebre.
Yeah.
They new one buy a two Nigeria for no. You two Somalians need Sudan for no. See Ghana for a hard dream papa will come out when it comes to
America no cases be about many me be two judge. And
say ebane say yemfasi kan enkum obi Ghana for kwada ebane say yem defrauding kofo yem bu kofo po yenya online scam Ghana for kwada no ya say and they are questioning say what is happening that a whole nation like Ghana no and the system of Ghana how we train our people we are getting things wrong. It is family youth and justice, they are finding ways and means to come about, and near Manti in Kofoni back to West Africa to study the fact, the behaviors, sociology, how and go for why is it said all of a sudden the Ghanaian system, the Ghanaian family system is breaking down?
That tells you we don't incorporate our culture in our children. Oh, it's true. And that is what is happening. Discipline and respect. Oh, yeah, can't. Oh, yeah, I know. I have so. And this is what is getting out of hand from the parents.
It takes two to bring up a child. Many papa for no lawyer act on the voice or or the family a year a friend is saying and who ends them. Mummy is getting sad and is getting out of hand. You see, there was a case, lawyer Akorano, one is a kind coon. I was Thamesmead, Abbeywood, and money by BBC and everywhere. Wouldn't be intra. My menuko morning now. Obepono, na papa nso ko night. Itu omu nya time mpo nhwe wo mo ba no.
Na me se me nka issue, o pese make but o dey similar thing na I raise the issue amani o maye basa. Wey me boss you kakra kire. He ends up ma me ne ka baby. Papa no omu deporte no. E akola na me ne o kasa sese no or foster parenting sem.
Oh.
So you see, the family has shuttered them big down.
Osu kwa ba no behwe wo ba o.
Yeah. Inti me can say, inti anye bia no de moye no, are you guys raising a family or not? Or your own personal interest?
You see a Bob Brahman kwada no, enso hwe kwada no ye Bob Brahman ko nya time.
You first in Sembebre
Lawyer mama na was na wa bre na mi ja okwan na koda na me sure say Saturday there ye bedi nkomo eti aduano mo so mo hwe ye no mo wo mo experiences come on board, let's share. It's a community. Lawyer is a community. Bring your questions, come, let's discuss, let's find solutions and see how best and lawyer always say it. Let's also help by speaking the English. A bit me boy and maybe bit English say all these things, lawyer Meshamwa, say me kamfu and me kamfu FB solicitors Eddie Amamo. Lawyer Francis, meaning an antiache, and yet an antiache pa and intina I can vouch a lawyer Francis, any FB solicitors for Eddie Amount. FB solicitors, one more a suite E and F. You were the clock house, a third floor. Na you need Rakwan, you were backing. Your postcode no IG 118EQ. IG 118EQ. Your telephone number, your office line is 0208 264 4800. 0208 264 4800. Your mobile line also a lawyer Francis number no 079 46 77 2439. Lawyer number is 079 46 77 2439. The nearest station now the Benya a Barking train station. Maminda a yashefo bibro by Pastor Ewa Millicent wa Wakins wa John was Ogri was energy was Nana Busa question. Nana Michelle was Saturday a year 12 to 1 p.m. Brana Busa question why your time ninety and a take over 22 minutes lawyer time Yamana go beyond cry. Mama Lee Edamase Charlotte Joyce Charles Hannah Jerry Getty say Jonathan Prophet at the saying star Kwashi David Nas Yedino Prince. I thought it was Josephine Aqua Fia Papa Pam Pambo Fozia Peter Bra Same Evans Yakwesi Jelly Junior Edina Dosso Munina Wafa Ejekum Tony Joy Joy. Sis, God here. Adabo. Joy. Or team legal wife. Miss sister. Or team legal wife. If you be Miss Lizzie, Bridget, and Sakinatu, your mamunina mo se mobabesho. Nyami aduma Saturday, Mesa the lawyer ba from 12 to 1 p.m. in Timunshan also. Lawyer, yeah, that's it.
Yo, Mr. Medasi. Bye bye.